Today, we're featuring FH Group Faux leather seat covers, custom made for the 2022 Subaru Outback. Check below for other models we cover. Upgrade your interior with the sleek, modern look of our Faux leather custom-fit seat covers. Impeccable craftsmanship. Every stitch tells a story of quality and attention to detail. Airbag-compatible, engineered to work with built-in airbags for your peace of mind. Accommodates heated and ventilated seats. Designed to work seamlessly with your vehicle's heating and cooling seat functions. Sink into comfort. Our Faux leather seat covers are as cozy as they are stylish. Designed with center console coverage to keep every surface protected. Smart storage built right in. Our back seat pockets offer practical convenience. Enter the world of perfect fit. Built-in seatbelt access. Access your seatbelts with ease thanks to precision fit openings. Split bench functionality. Engineered for split bench seats, so you keep full access and flexibility. Maximum coverage with a wraparound design for a snug, secure fit. That's our overview of FH Group Faux leather custom fit seat covers for the 2022 Subaru Outback. See the description for more models.